truck that was having troubles there with another one. They got him operating now. They pulled that red boom one out, took him around back, got him parked over there in the distance. They have another spare over there with a blue boom. Right down there in at the lower part of the picture, you can see the two dewatering basins that they bring in several of the pipes into, and then they put it in the city sewer runs. This one here has the top off of it. Yes, it's a struggle to keep the water out before the concrete goes in. And even after that, we're still going to have to work with it. There's the other one right there. Still has a lid on it. It's been interesting to watch that end of the excavation there. The way they've had to shore that up against that existing building, and they've left several of those piers they poured and then bracing off of them there. Keep an eye on how they finish that out. That right there was the road access in and out as they were excavating, as they work their way up out of the hole where those two trucks are parked. They started at midnight and it's 6:30 now, so they've been going for a while and they've got a ways to go. Fortunately, they're in the shade of this big tall building here, so keep them from cooking for several more hours till it's overhead.